Hey y'all, it's your favorite wedding planner, Rachel Burt Garcia, owner of As You Wish Events. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of one of the biggest weddings I've ever done in my whole career. So this wedding took place at the Statler Hotel in Dallas. It's a blank slate ballroom, so we really had to do a lot to glam it up. And so we really wanted to bring in a lot of kind of old Hollywood, mixed metals, silvers, gold tones, and just really keep the color scheme black and white to keep it crisp and elegant. So we rented all sorts of different types of tables, mirrored tables, crystal tables. We had some black linen, some white linen. All of it was designed to create some aesthetic variance in the room, but still keeping it very classic, very elegant, and very upscale. All of the flowers were white roses and white phalaenopsis orchids and white hydrangeas, just keeping it all monochromatic colors, but a variety of different textures really modernizes the look. On the tables, we had some beautiful chargers, stunning place settings, and of course, we kept everything COVID friendly by tucking the silverware into the napkins, and we also placed coasters on top of all of the glassware just to keep it COVID safe and COVID friendly as much as we could. In the reception, we had hanging crystal rain from the ceiling. It was so stunning of the dance floor, really made everything pop. And on the white dance floor, we had the client's monogram actually on a vinyl that went over the dance floor so that it brought a little bit of personalization into the design. Also, behind the stage, one of my favorite pieces of the wedding was the fact that we did an LED wall. And so we had a custom video that had tons of graphics that just really emulated the design, whether it was like gold sparkles in the background, or fireworks going off in the background, or even the couple's monogram. It just really made the whole design come together to have that LED screen behind the band. In the cocktail hour, we had 2 champagne walls. We had an escort card wall that had just like dripping crystals on each escort card. We had flowers in the bathroom, flowers on the bar, flowers everywhere. We even had a floral tunnel that you walked through in the entrance, flower wall that you could take your picture in front of. I mean, there was no shortage of flowers at this wedding, y'all. There were so many fun moments in this wedding, from the cake cutting with the over-the-top super tall wedding cake that was floating on a lucite stage, or was it the first dance with the fireworks behind the couple as they dipped on the final note of the song? I mean, there were so many cool things that happened. At the very last dance, we had confetti, and the groom lifted the bride up and just spun her around, and it was just one of the coolest moments to witness. And then it all culminated with an exit where all the guests used gold pom-poms to send the bride and groom off on the iconic Statler staircase. It was so much fun, and it was truly one of the biggest events of my career. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, let me know if you want more content like this in the comments down below. Please subscribe, make sure and like it. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do that. My Instagram is asyouwish_DFW, and you can search our hashtag AYWLove for more inspo. Okay, bye babes.